Everyone, in today's video, I'm going to review SkySafari 8 Pro. SkySafari 8 Pro is one of the most advanced astronomy apps available for amateur astronomers, astrophotographers, and telescope users. It combines an enormous celestial database with powerful telescope control, observation planning tools, and new imaging features that make it much more than a simple stargazing app. One of the biggest upgrades in SkySafari 8 Pro is its focus on astrophotography. The app now supports native alpaca camera control, allowing users to connect compatible imaging equipment directly within the app. Combined with built-in plate solving, SkySafari can identify objects in your images, verify framing, and help streamline the imaging process without relying on multiple separate programs. The image gallery system is another standout feature. Users can import photos from their device, captured imaging sessions, local files, and even Astro Bin, creating a personal astronomy library that can be pinned directly onto the sky chart. This creates a unique way to compare your own observations with the actual sky. The astronomical database remains one of the app's greatest strengths. SkySafari 8 Pro includes more than 100 million stars, hundreds of thousands of deep sky objects, millions of galaxies, and hundreds of thousands of solar system objects. Few mobile astronomy apps offer this level of detail. The field of view tools are especially useful for telescope owners and astrophotographers. By entering the specifications of your telescope, camera, eyepiece, reducer, or Barlow lens, the app can accurately show exactly how an object will appear before you begin observing or imaging. This saves time and helps avoid framing mistakes during valuable observing sessions. Telescope support is another major advantage. Compatibility with systems such as ASCOM Alpaca, Indy, and other popular telescope control platforms makes it a practical tool for both visual observing and imaging setups. Despite its power, beginners may find the sheer number of features overwhelming at first. SkySafari 8 Pro is designed for serious enthusiasts, and it may take time to learn everything the app can do. It is also one of the more expensive astronomy apps on the market. Overall, SkySafari 8 Pro is widely considered one of the best astronomy apps available today. Its combination of massive astronomical databases, advanced telescope control, imaging integration, plate solving, and observation planning tools makes it an outstanding choice for anyone serious about astronomy. For casual stargazers, it may be more than necessary, but for dedicated observers and astrophotographers, SkySafari 8 Pro is one of the most complete mobile astronomy platforms available. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.